Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 56th commencement exercises of Southern Luzon State University this day, the 29th day of July, 2025. To begin today's event, may we present to you the candidates for 2025 graduation ceremonies from the College of Teacher Education.
Itototo ko lang po ito dito, ma'am. Thank you po.
Entering the gymnasium are the candidates for graduation from the College of Teacher Education.